We are going to go over the VFD upgrade kit for clipper seed cleaners. This is offered exclusively through us here at Commodity Traders International. The motors may change as our vendors change supply. The VFDs may change as our vendors change supply as well, but the units will come with everything that you need to get the unit set up. There are a few things that you will be responsible for, such as mounting and wiring the VFD. Do not be intimidated. This is a very simple and easy to understand VFD. You will be required to mount the motor and the motor slide plate in a location that you see fit, and you will also be required to source your own V-belt. It would be impossible for us to guess the belt size that you will need for this VFD upgrade kit. This particular unit is going for a 7 series, so it has a 2 horsepower WEG slide base and a 2 horsepower rated single phase VFD. The unit is going to come with approximately 10 feet of SO cable. We have 3 cable glands, and the unit comes with shivs for the lower fan. This is 1 3/16", and the motor on this particular unit has a 7/8 of an inch shaft. This will be an overview of the VFD kit provided from Commodity Traders International. We are now going to look at the cleaner to show you some options for mounting and go over further things that you will be required to do for this VFD kit install. Going over what you will be responsible for in the VFD lower fan upgrade kit, you will be responsible for mounting and programming the VFD. You will also need to give us your input voltage. This particular unit was set up for 220 volt single phase. You will need to fabricate or build a belt guard to ensure safety on the machine in operation. You will need to build a mounting apparatus. We prefer to use 2-inch by 1/2 inch channel iron. Gives us a very nice mounting base for the motor slide mount. And you will need to route your electrical cable in a safe manner so that it does not get rubbed by the shoe shaking back and forth or any belts or shafts that are rotating. If you are not familiar with metal fabrication, standard 2x4s or regular dimensional lumber can be used to mount the motor slide mount and the motor. And of course, plywood and light duty sheet metal and nails can be used to fabricate belt guards. Note, if you are still using the brush jack system underneath of the grain cleaner, you will be responsible for mounting your motor in a different location. This is something we cannot do for you. The unit could be mounted back here as long as it does not interfere with a air discharge chute. It could be mounted on top like some of the older style motors were mounted, or it could be mounted on the outside of these feet here. But if you are still using the brush jack system underneath your cleaner, you will need to mount the motor in a different location. You will be responsible for this. This VFD kit is exclusively available through us here at Commodity Traders International. We also offer VFD kits for hoppers and eccentric shake as well. Please reach out to us for those. For all other seed feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment and equipment support, please reach out to us as well. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.